Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix File Explorer stuck at working on it in Windows 11. So you just need to follow me. I will show you guys how to solve this issue. So at first you need to right click on your start menu icon and click on Task Manager. Once you have opened Task Manager, you have to open Windows Explorer. So click on Processes, and after that right click on Windows Explorer and click on Restart, and after that it will fix your problem. If still your problem is there, then simply go to your start window and type File Explorer Options. After that open File Explorer Options. Under General tab you will get a clear option, so click on that clear option, and after that click OK. And after that once again go to start window and type indexing options. After open indexing options, you need to click on advanced, and then you need to click on rebuild. After that you need to restart your PC. After indexing complete, you need to restart your PC and it will fix your problem.